Every day and every morning, predators search for their prey. It is the first and hardest challenge to survive. Predators have to provide food at all times, or things can go horribly wrong, where they can kill each other because of their extreme hunger. Crocodiles are ruthless animals and have no limits if they are hungry. Huge crocodile jaw has the strongest bite in history, as no creature, no matter how tough, can bear its bite. Even alligators can kill each other for food. But since both opponents are the same size and powers, it will be very difficult for either of them to be defeated. These terrifying creatures can tear apart a member of their species to fill their stomachs. Here, we notice how one of the crocodiles cut off the foot of his companion to eat. These animals hate each other enormously. And to prove that this is not an accident or a rare case, here is another scene where an alligator got his arm torn by another alligator. All these videos that we have watched show us just how dangerous the crocodile is.